they said, go get all the things for your missionary that you would need within, like for 3 months.
Okay.
If they get sick. So I went and got all this stuff, and I'm like, that's not gonna fit. There's so much in there, but I'm like, okay, we'll just try it. And I put it in. That's this one. I put it in, and it all fit, and I still have room. I could not believe that.
Stretching and stretching and stretching.
And I was even able to get a sinus rinse bottle in there, as well as everything else.
So we've got this. We're gonna do like the little, little clown car action here going on.
Okay, these are vitamin packs. This is a list of all the things we have. We have NyQuil.
You gotta have directions, right? We don't, what is this?
We have cough drops. These are all allergy pills because he needs a month worth.
Of course.
Nasal spray, so you get sinus infections.
See, that's why we say moms are in charge of this, because none of my boys would be packing any of this stuff.
Mucus relief for the
Until
same
they're
reason.
sick.
Congaplex, this is an immune booster. Vitamin C,
Oh my
NyQuil,
gosh.
and nasal decongestant. Baking soda, because we take like a half teaspoon for an upset stomach.
And look at that. She has little directions on there too. Because I would be like, Mom, I can't call her up.
How much do I take?
Yeah.
Benadryl for allergic reactions, ibuprofen, and dairy relief because he